For this stitch, you need to insert the hook into the chain second to the one on the hook, then just pull through and single crochet until the end of the chain. Once you get to the end of your work, you need to do a simple chain stitch and flip your work. So this will become the next line of crochet, and you single crochet again, and you keep repeating this step until your crochet grows to a size around about your waist measurement, which I'll explain further. So to join your fabric, so this is, you gotta first check the size. So using a measuring tape, you need to measure your fabric and make sure it's the same size that you want for your waist measurement. And then once you do this, what you need to do is you need to join your waistband up. So these two sides need to be joined up. So first of all, you need to make sure that your fabric's all nice and straight and there's no twists. And then once you do this, you have to line it up like this. And then what you do is you need to just do a single crochet over both of these. So instead of just inserting the hook into one of these, you need to go through both ends of the fabric. So in order to do this, you just go through this first one here and you find the first one here, then you get the fabric, the wool, and you actually, for this one, it's not single crochet, it's more like just a joining type of stitch, and you just pull through like that. Now you go through the next one and you find the second one here, and continue this along. So now this is all done, and you can see that it's really hard to undo, and it's like quite seamless and easy to do. So now you just need to finish this off by doing just hooking this, pulling through, and this won't undo. So now you just got to cut it off with some scissors, and then you just pull out the remaining thread. And then on this side, because it was the start, you might just want to do a little knot and then cut it off as well. To start the main part of the skirt, you need to restart using the looped knot, as I've just done, and find the join of the waistband. Then you need to insert your hook into the top of the join, and you'll kind of need to guess where to put your hook, as there's no proper stitches, as it's just the side of the stitches you've done. So throughout the whole around the circumference of the waistband, you just need to kind of find little holes in the piece of fabric and just go around inserting your hook into those. And so now I've got to the end. You can now continue on, but actually on stitches. So you go up onto the stitches you've just done, and instead of doing single crochet, you start doing double crochet. Continue this for the next 3 rows. Once you have crocheted at least about 3 to 4 rows, you need to, just where it joins at the start, you need to line up and start increasing. So just do 2 crochets in 1 stitch and continue to do this basically until you get to the end of the skirt, practically to about the length you want it to be. And so to do this, you also got to do it on the opposite side. So for example, I'll show you. See, these have double crochet. So you just, in this stitch here, insert your hook and crochet, and then in the same stitch you crochet again, and then you continue as normal. So once you're finished your skirt, and it's the size and length you want, and you have started to stop increasing, you need to finish on one like where you started. And so to finish, what you need to do is you just need to loop over, insert your hook, and just do like one last crochet, and then you insert your hook and you just pull it through.